Hello, all my happy friends. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a flower pot from one of my packets. The one that I'm showing today is a Valentine's Day one. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and remove all of your contents from the baggie. And I do want to say, even though this one's Valentine's Day, I can also create one that says something like Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Day, I love you, or even your name, or I can leave it plain for you to doodle. So when you take everything out of the packet, you kind of want to go ahead and separate your objects. So I'm putting the big flower petals together, the leaf and the stem together, and the stickers off to the side. So you'll need to go ahead and grab your roll to start building your flower pot first. So I'm just sizing things up, making sure everything's going to fit okay, lining it up to see how I want to put it on. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my sticky tape and take off the yellow backing. I will say this one was a little bit difficult to get off. You just kind of have to keep being patient and going on the corners. So just breathe in and breathe out and try not to get frustrated. I may try to experiment and find other tape to use for this project. So once you get the backing off, you want to go ahead and put it half on to leave the other half open to adhere to the other side. Now you're going to go ahead and hold it down with one hand and then loop the back part over. Be steady and connect both sides and smooth it over. And now we're ready to build the top part of the pot. So one side is the foam and one side is the adhesive backing that's paper-like. So go ahead and peel that off and be careful because it's really sticky. So once you have the flower lip for the pot, you want to go ahead and line it up, same thing to the back. And then slowly wrap it around. Now this foam is very sticky, so that means it's not truly forgiving. So be careful when you're going around. And whenever you have a flower pot, even in real life, you need to go ahead and get your soil ready. So for this one, go ahead and remove all the extra little pieces. So you'll need to remove the rectangle piece and the center of the soil. Once you have that removed, you can go ahead and remove the sticky backing, but I want to go ahead and show you how you want to place it in your pot. So you want to make sure that the rectangle is facing towards the front, and if you're looking at it, it's going to be on your left side. So I'm showing you how to align it. So remove your sticky backing, and remember, it's really sticky. Line it up as best as you can, and then smooth it on top. I do want to share a helpful hint is make sure that you keep all your trash in one little spot. And now that we have that done, this is the part that makes me think about kind of like self-love and even growing a regular plant. Is in order to grow, you need to fill it up with love and water. Try to line it up as best as possible, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just try to adjust it a few times the best that I can. Once it's on, go ahead and smooth it out and place it in your rectangle hole. And now we're ready to start blooming. So you want to go ahead and take a look at your stem, and about an inch down from the top is where you want to start to place your leaf. So peel the backing of your leaf And you want to place the stem towards the middle. And once you like your placement, go ahead and bend over the leaves and stick them together so that it becomes one leaf that's sturdy. And go ahead and place it where the stem goes. And we're ready for the next part, which is the beautiful flower. So please remove the backing of the flower and place it in the hole. It's starting to look super cute. And grab your front petal. This one's going to have the adhesive backing. So be gentle. And you want to ensure that the stem is sticking out a little bit, just like that. And now go ahead and add the top and smooth it out. That's going to help ensure that it stays in place. And from here, go ahead and look at your hearts or whatever's included in your little packet. And you'll notice that there's one slightly big one. So the big one is going to be your pollen. And go ahead and add that in the center there. And then from there, go ahead and grab your other ones and start decorating. You can choose to do any design that you like. So for this one, I'm choosing to put one in the center. And here's another little heart. And I'm deciding to put one more little heart on the left side to make it look even. And from here, it's pretty much all set and super duper cute. I'm going to save those two little hearts for a little project after. And now I'm going to go ahead and start to pick up my area. So I put my trash into my little baggie. It's really important to keep your space clean. And I close it up. And now I'm just admiring my little flowers so that I can go ahead and give it to someone that's special to me. And there you have it. Now you have a beautiful little flower. See you guys next time. Bye.